Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Today I do have a beauty, all my beauty products that I've used up in the last month or two. And so I'm going to share my beauty empties. Got them all here in a little box, and so let's get to it. Okay, so I don't have a ton of makeup products just because I use so many different makeup products. I have a hard time going through one really quick, but so a lot of these are kind of bath or type hair, whatever. But anyway, the first thing I'm pulling out is this is a ultra sheer body cream from Bath and Body, the Hello Beautiful. I went ahead and used it all up. Of course, I have other ones I like better, so I'm glad it's gone so I can open another one. And so that's the first item. I do buy ahead, and I do use Bath and Body or Victoria's Secret products. So anyway, the next thing I'm pulling out is a serum. This is this is Babe Lash eyelash serum. You just put a little bit on your eyelash line and it works. Your eyelashes will grow. So I noticed it immediately after I start using it. So anyway, I finally used this one up, and now I'm going to try the Babe Lash or the Grande Lash. So I have Grande Lash now that I'll get started on since that's gone. The next thing I have here is from Batiste, and this is the dry shampoo. I use different dry shampoos, but these are just convenient, and I can get them in. I can get them on Amazon in like packs of 4 or whatever, for pretty inexpensive. So it's an average good dry hair shampoo. So anyway, that's gone. It's all just blowing out air. But anyway, so there's that. I will use them again. I love the cherry one. There's a cherry one that I just love. So anyway, that's what I'm using now. But so the next thing is another serum. This is Tula, and I love this. I want more, but I know I'm not going to be able to afford more. This is the oh gosh, I know it has vitamin C, and that's what I use it for, kind of a brightening. It's a brightening treatment drops, vitamin C, triple vitamin C serum. So yeah, I always use a vitamin C serum. I like them. I don't know which one I'm going to grab. I'm going to look and see what I have. I know they're offering a really nice one in the Fab Fit Fun, so I might pick it up, but I'll see what I have and to replace this. But I love this one. I wish I could afford it again, and I have so many products that I can't really afford to just go buy it. But anyway, that was really fun and good while it lasted. The next one here, the next serum is kind of the same. This is my Glow Recipe. It's the Hyaluronic Serum. Loved this. Love it. And I happen to have another one to replace it. So yay. So anyway, it was great. I'll use it again. Love it. Another, let's see. Do I have any more serums here? No. I do have a hair. This is from who is that? Eden. And it is a scalp massaging serum, papaya, castor. Anyway, I use that. I do like scalp serums, and I have more. I just had gotten this in a box or something. I probably wouldn't buy this one again. I have an Amika one that I love, and I have a couple other ones. So anyway, so there's that. That's gone though. The next thing I'm pulling out here is the SGX NYC. I buy this at Target. I love it. This is the hairspray. I'm actually out of hairspray right now, and I want to keep my curls. I thought I could maybe get a little bit out. I should have pulled it out sooner because anyway, I need to buy some hairspray. So anyway, there we go. But I love this brand, and they also have a texturizing spray. It's like a pinkish purple, same kind of bottle. But anyway, I love it. I think I showed that in my last, I think I got through the texture spray in my last empties. So the next thing I have here is not necessarily empty, but it is, it's called BUTT, but first coffee. And it's really cute. It's by Frank Body. Look at the lid and everything. It's just cute. The problem with it is, I have used some of it. I just don't like the smell. I just don't. Some people would love the smell, and it's really kind of buttery and whatever, so it's not a bad product. I've had it for a while, and I've used it a couple times, and I'm just like, you know what? I just don't love the smell. So I'm going to say bye. But it's very cute concept, and I know someone would absolutely love this. I just don't. I don't love the smell. So the next thing is a makeup product, and this is from, this is an eye primer from VC Collection. There. Oh, it's YC. I'm not sure. I've heard of them, but anyway, it was something I got in a box, boxycharm or something, and it's not a bad eye primer. It's decent. I mean, if I got it again, I would use it. I just wouldn't buy it because I have other eye primers that I love more. So anyway, there's that. The next thing I have here is, this is from Ciate, London. It's the Watermelon Burst lip gel or whatever. They call it a lip primer, I think. But, or is this not lip? Is this a primer, a face primer? I thought it was lips. Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. I think it's a primer. Okay, this is silly. Okay, so they had these in lip too. At one time I bought them and really liked them. This is a primer for the face. I put it on my lips and I was like, this tastes horrible. So I'm like, it just must be old. I think it's not that. I think it's that it's a primer and it's not meant to put on your lips or taste. So anyway, there's just a tiny bit left. I'm just, you know, it's still going to go bye-bye. But anyway, that's funny. That is so funny. Haha. Okay. The next thing I have is from Ofra Beauty, and it is a blush. I've loved this blush. I've used it, but it's about out, and it's seen better days, and I have so many products that I had to say goodbye to that one now. So there's that. This is another lip product. This is Tarte. It's just dried up, whatever. So say bye-bye. And then I have, what is this from, this is the brow gel. I believe it's a clear brow gel, and I think it's from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. So it's just dried up. So anyway, bye-bye. Then I have, the last thing I have here is, I have 4 eyeliner pencils. Most of these still work, but they're all the felt tip, and I just don't like that. I just don't like those. So I'm going to say goodbye. I have so many eyeliners, it's ridiculous, but you might as well like use what you like. And so if it's not broken, don't fix it. I'm kind of like that. So I'm learning to find my holy grail products, and then the other ones I tried and they're okay, but they're not my holy grails. So bye-bye. So anyway, that's it for my beauty empties. Tell me what products you're interested in that you would like. These two are kind of holy grails for me. Also, this Babe Lash has been fabulous. So, anyway, love it. So that's it. That's it for my beauty empties. So let me know what you think. Is there anything here you're interested in? What did you empty this month? Let me know. And I appreciate you being here. Please subscribe, hit the like button, do those things to support my channel if you wish. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye.